when I started doing research into edible insects, I was fascinated and I fell into the wormhole. I'm trying to remove the stigmas and sort of the sensationalism of the insects. Not only is it high in protein and healthy for you, but it is also very, very sustainable.
The idea of eating bugs is totally new to me, but I understand the practicality of it, and I understand that it is a huge part of a lot of different cultures' diets.
I got too big of a bite.
It's like cheesy shredded shrimp that was like fried.
The scorpion, not bad at all. It's very earthy. It's not intimidating.
Honestly, I couldn't even tell I was chewing a scorpion, so not a big deal.
There's fuzz on its head and body.
It's pretty good. I thought it was terrifying at first, but after trying it, not as bad.
It kind of has the crunch of a popcorn kernel.
Some of it scratching at the back of my throat.
I love raw oysters, but I feel like the insect raw oyster combination just isn't a pleasant sensation or like flavoring in my mouth.
I swear to God, these ants taste like lemons. This is the best one, I think, so far.
Chapulines are grasshoppers, I believe.
Kind of like a piece of chocolate with sea salt on top, but like in creamy form.
I think eating insects and arachnids, like eating anything, it's all about how you prepare it, what you pair it with.